Hi, this is Dr. A.K. Srivastava. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss wave function. What is wave function? The quantity whose variation makes up matter waves, known as wave function. Now, what is matter waves? If a material particle is moving, let's suppose there is a material particle of mass m and it is moving with some velocity. What is de Broglie concept? According to de Broglie concept, a group of wave always associated with this particle. Okay, means this particle is behaving like a wave. A group of waves always associated with this particle. So what is the wavelength of that wave? The lambda is equal to h upon p, and these waves are known as matter waves. Matter waves, because this is material particle. So what is wave function? The quantity whose variation makes up matter waves. The quantity whose variation makes up matter waves is known as wave function. We will denote this wave function by psi, and there is no physical significance of this wave function. Why? Because psi is a complex number. It contains both real part and imaginary part. So let's suppose psi is equal to a plus ib. It contains both real part as well as imaginary part. So there is no physical significance. So how can we get physical significance from this psi? To get physical significance, you have to calculate mod psi square. What's mod psi square? Mod psi square is known as psi star psi and is known as probability density. Probability density, that is probability of finding the particle at any point at any time in space. Okay. Now what is the psi square? If you take psi is equal to a plus ib, so what is mod psi square? Mod psi square you can write, just write first psi star, complex conjugate of this wave function, that is equal to, just change I by minus I. Here if you take these values here, psi star is a minus ib, and what is psi? A plus ib. What you will get? You will have here a square plus b square, because this I square is always equal to minus 1. Okay. So what is this a square plus b square? This is positive and real quantity. Positive, always positive and real. Okay. What is wave function? A wave function is the mathematical representation of matter waves, you can say. There is no physical significance. It is a complex number because and we can get information about the system by calculating mod psi square. What is mod psi square? Probability density. So you can write mod psi square as psi star psi. Okay. Now I am going to discuss properties of well-behaved wave function. Properties of well-behaved wave function. First important property, psi must be single valued and continuous. What is the meaning of single valued? Let me plot two functions here. X, this side I am taking psi. One function is like this. Okay. Another function is like this. You can see here at each point we have one value of psi. Okay, in this case. And here at one point, let's suppose at this point, we have one value, two value and three value of the wave function. This is multi-valued function. This is not valid wave function, this is valid wave function. This is single valued, this is multi-valued. What is the meaning of continuous? Just look these two plots. here I am taking x, along y axis I am taking one of the graph like this. Okay, another, just plot another graph also, psi, and this one is like this. Okay, this one is like this. Now this is discontinuous function and this is continuous. This is discontinuous function, first one. Okay, so psi must be single valued and continuous. This is important property of the wave function, that wave function must follow. Point number 2, derivative of wave function, that is curly psi by curly x, curly psi by curly y, curly psi by curly z, must be continuous and single valued. Point number 3, psi must be 0 at x, y, z. Okay, tends to plus minus infinity. To infinite point there is no wave function. Okay, at infinite points there is no wave function, and psi must be normalizable. That is minus infinity to plus infinity mod psi square dx is equal to 1. You can take d tau also for 3 dimension case. In case of your problem is 3 dimension, you can consider here d tau also. D tau is equal to 1. What is d tau? D tau is known as volume element, dx, dy, dz. Okay, if your wave function is following these 4 properties, then wave function is known as well behaved wave function. Okay, thank you for watching this video.